It is March 24th, and as an intraday stock options trader, I do a written review of my trade of the day every day. So here it is, my trade of the day, NVDA. So the big picture on NVIDIA was we've got some news from the last couple days saying that NVIDIA was maybe looking to pair with Intel to make a North American foundry to build some chips. Jim Cramer dropped some posts as to why the stock is a buy, and overall, NVIDIA and AMD have been seeing some bullish action this last week after this really large run up here on the 18th. We've been kind of trading sideways. Now, that's the big picture. The technical analysis is that there was a really key level at this 20, pretty much 261 level, and a gap up basically met that resistance at 261. So on the open, that's what we were looking at. So that's the TA. Let's jump into the play-by-play as to how we traded NVIDIA today. Now, I went long at 954 on this. You can see this arrow here. My edge is on the higher low and close above the VWAP and converging 21 day. I took calls on the hold above this 263.17 support. I went long 2, or I got my second contract as heavy volume tested high days right here on this second arrow. The increased volume on this candle gave me conviction as to I did get wicked out. But as it was breaking towards this 265.90, I was very confident that we were going to break over this high a day from yesterday and make that move towards 269, but it did not. I went long 3 at 958 as we made this pullback here on this third arrow. It practically signaled another entry if I had been flat before this. Again, signaling a higher low and close above support and above VWAP in a converging 21 day. It checked all the boxes for me, so I went ahead and re-entered as the candle wicked out and then closed above VWAP. And then I went flat at 10:05. Nvidia is a stock that freaking rallies, man. The delta and the gamma on this stock's contracts just ramp up as soon as the stock wants to move. So at 10:05, as I was $3 in the money, if my average cost basis was, we'll say my average cost basis was about here. Um, can I get my measuring tool? No. If my average cost basis was about here, and I sold here, that's $2.70. So I was $2.70 in the money on 3 contracts, and I was staring at now. Let's say the move. This was if this was 100% of the move, that's $4.72. I caught $2.60. So we caught about 60% of the move. When I trade stocks, I don't get too upset about leaving too much on the table, not capturing the large amount of the move. What I try to get is just a good 66% of the move. Um, and at 10:05, as we rallied past the high a day from yesterday, and we hit massive resistance trying to hit that 269 level, I got out. I did not even hold a core. I noticed on the overall market, literally at 10:05, if we can go over here to the 3 minute on um, IWM SPY and QQQ, you can see that around 10 o'clock there was a topping pattern on pretty much all markets. And as I saw that on my other screen, also as NVIDIA was rallying and printing this volume candle down below, I had all the conviction for me to go flat and call it a day. NVIDIA paid me a nice little $500 today, and I think that it would be nice to stay in my chair in the future and look for more opportunities but this has been an amazing week for me so far. So I think we just take the trade of the day and we review it really well, and we take that learning lesson for the day because we did get better today at trading the same setup that we trade every single day. And so that was my review of my trade of the day. Thank you for watching. God bless you and have a great one. Peace.